Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to make pants on Roblox. Firstly, we will open our browser and in the search panel, we'll type roblox.com. Now we have to go to the create section, then click on the documentation section and go to the avatar tab. Now on the left side of our screen, we'll have to select the clothing section, then classic clothing. After that, we have to scroll down to the shirts and pants section and we have to download the pants uh, picture from here and save it on our PC. Now we have to edit the sample file. We can use any editing tool. For this video, I'll be using Photopea, which is an free online photo editing tool. So go to the Photopea website, open a project from your computer, select the sample file and click on open. Now we have to edit the segments in the sample file. In order to edit, first we'll select a base color. Then we'll select the triangle tool. Then select a segment. Now I have to select the brush tool. Make the size to the max. And replace the whole segment with the color we had just selected. We have to replace all the segments in this way. After that, as a final touch, I'll add the logo of our channel. We'll first import the logo. And now select the logo, drag it in the middle of the torso section. After that, just click on export. Export the file as an JPG, then click on save. We'll just take the file to our desktop. Now we have to upload this image file into the Roblox servers. In order to do that, go to the Roblox tab again. Now click on the dashboard section. Now avatar items. Now from filters, select classic pants. Now upload asset. In here, from upload, you have to upload the file. So just click on open. Change the name to whatever you prefer. After that, you have to spend 10 Robux to upload your created pant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.